Hi, it's SWEETNIYA'S, and it is National Strawberry Sundae Day. And we are going to build a nice strawberry sundae.
Of course.
And you're going to help me, Antonio, my little assistant here. Okay, so.
Nobody knows I love this. So
oh yeah, he loves that. Open it up.
Let me open mine.
Of course, you're going to build this.
I want to have mine. I want to start off. How does this taste?
Well, first, no. We're going to, it is to build a strawberry sundae.
But first I have to see how it tastes. Real quick.
I got to scoop it out first.
Real quick, let me see how it tastes.
It's frozen. We're going to build one. We're going to put it in here, okay?
It tastes good. It tastes good, okay. And I want to put the whipped cream on top.
Not yet. We gotta build this first.
We should.
After I put the ice cream in, which
don't
is
put the walnuts.
Frozen.
Don't
So
put
let
the
it thaw out a little bit.
Don't put the walnuts in there. Okay. Okay, mommy.
It'll thaw out quick though, cause it's kind of warm in here. We'll build a nice ice cream sundae. Today is National Strawberry Ice Cream Sundae.
This tastes good. And next up, I'm going to taste. Are you having strawberry in there?
Hmm?
Are you having strawberry in there?
No.
Mommy, I think this is yours. I have a rough time.
I'm having
A hard
gotta
time.
thaw out a little bit.
Okay. Now whipped cream.
No, hold on a minute.
Alright, guys. Mommy needs to do something real quick. So guys, we're going. I don't know what's next, but I think we might do this next. Are we going to do this next, Mommy?
I know you can't wait for that. You gotta get this scooped out first.
All of it empty.
Frozen.
All of it empty.
Frozen.
All of it empty. Empty. All of it empty.
Yeah.
Bro.
You might not need that one. This might be enough.
I know that. Let's try close it up. Guys, it's ice cream day.
Okay, and Tony, you can add the walnuts.
I said I don't want to, but okay.
Just throw them on top. Scatter it a little bit.
Put a little bit on there because you know last time.
What happened? You put too much?
Yeah, and you kind of was too much, so I put it a little bit. That's enough.
You want to make it bigger, right? Because me and you.
I'm not having walnuts. I'm not eating walnuts. I'm just eating the walnuts.
Okay. Is that big enough or you want to add more? Okay, add a little more.
That's big enough. Just one more scoop. Okay, that's good. That's good.
I'm going to add the rest of it.
Oh my gosh. Just want to add more. Wait, I should add a little more, should I?
It's going to melt. A little bit.
Oh, I'm going to take some out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And now, we'll cut up some strawberries.
Why is whipped cream last?
Because that's going to go on top. I'm going to top it off with some whipped cream. I'm going to add strawberries. Yes, I'm going to add that on there. Nice, juicy, organic strawberries. Yum, yummy.
Mommy loves strawberries. Did you know
I
this?
do.
I like strawberries too.
I'm going to add banana.
Why don't you want? Oh, no.
What?
No.
Okay, how about I put banana on this side?
Yeah, this is my side.
On your side, no banana.
Yeah.
Gotta have bananas though. Okay, my side banana, your side no bananas.
Yeah, because I don't like bananas.
Okay, and I'm gonna let you do the whipped cream.
Yes!
Do you know how to do it?
Yeah, like that. Wait, somebody taught me. I don't know how to open it.
Okay, how about I open it for you?
And I do the cream.
Okay. Wait.
Wait, I know. I know at first base.
You know how Go upside down like
I
that.
know that.
Go all the way around. All the way. A lot. Keep it going. Upside down. Keep going. More.
I see.
More. A whole lot. Keep it going.
Oh yeah.
Do that side. Get that side. Here, let me show you.
It's hard.
Come on, more. Squirt it out. Woo! Look at that. Yeah. You got to put it in your mouth. That's what you had.
I laugh a little bit sometimes.
For you. How about I do it for you? Open your mouth. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Give me some
There
of
we
that.
go.
Give me some of that.
That's a nice sundae. Okay. We're gonna pose for a thumbnail. Tonya, thumbnail. No more. Don't do that. Thumbnail. Come on. Smile for thumbnail. Okay.
Can you put the same cream over here?
No, because you want to keep putting it in your mouth. No, right now we're going to eat the ice cream. Let's see how it tastes. Let's try it. Mmm.
Yum yum.
I am loving me some National Strawberry Sundae Day. Strawberry Ice Cream Sundae Day. It's good, right?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Tonya, get to where the walnuts are.
Wait, it's removal cream. This is a fantastic list.
I mean, we added walnuts and bananas, but tell me what you like to add to your
What cream?
strawberry sundae.
This what cream?
Oh, and whipped cream.
Mommy, did you know that I'm just eating whipped cream?
I know.
I think I'm done.
Are you serious?
I feel full because it
You're
ate too.
full? Again. You eat prior
And I think I might eat too much food upstairs.
to the video.
Not on
So you
video.
had one little taste and you're done.
Not one little taste, a lot of tasting, right? Right, guys? Hashtag,
Strawberry ice cream sundae?
no, I'm thinking like, hashtag whipped cream if you like whipped cream. Wait, I need hashtag whipped cream if boys like whipped cream. No.
So yummy.
Yeah, this hashtag
walnuts.
hashtag whipped cream
Gives it a good crunch.
if you like whipped cream, because I do. So please hashtag. And Mommy doesn't know. Mommy doesn't know if to eat, because Mommy thinks it's dangerous. Well,
Yummy. What?
Mommy thinks it's dangerous to eat it by itself, the whipped cream.
No, I just think when you have whipped cream, you should put it on top of something and not just squirt it in your mouth.
Mommy thinks about that, but it tastes yummy and fabulous.
I bet it do.
Yeah. Of course, somebody keeps trying to put it in your mouth, and you're not letting somebody put it in your mouth.
No?
Well,
With what?
Nothing.
Let's get to the bananas. So you're gonna sit here and watch me eat this whole thing?
So there's a lot of air, and I might have to eat.
Mmm. What are you doing with that strawberry?
I want to add whipped cream on strawberry.
Let me do it.
Not too much. Oh, that's enough.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah, beautiful Sunday. This is not Sunday, a little Sunday. Can you put a little strawberry Sunday?
Yummy, yummy. I have strawberry Haagen Dazs ice cream, but you can add, I mean, you can do whatever kind of strawberry ice cream you like. This is the kind I just
I have to tell you guys, hashtag Fortnite if you play Fortnite, because I do. Girls, some girls play, a lot of boys play Fortnite.
Yeah.
Mommy doesn't play Fortnite because Mommy doesn't know.
Starting to melt, but I like it when it melts.
I need some more whipped cream. I need more whipped cream on it. Top it up. Yay. Thank you very much, whipped cream.
Whipped cream is good, isn't it?
Wait, pie face ready? Set pie in the face, whatever.
Mm.
This is crazy.
So,
There you guys go.
if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And please like and subscribe.
And we're not done.
And if you want to see more videos like this, just hit the notification bell. And this is so, so yummy.
I need one more cream on top of it.
More?
Yeah. Because I'm running out.
Are you actually eating the strawberry or are you just eating the whipped cream?
Please. Wait, real quick. Wait, what got me a little bit? Wait. I have to see something with this.
What?
I
He's
got
trying to eat the strawberry.
Oh, you're making it melt again. Monster.
Eat it.
Again. I need some napkins. Well, I'm running out of napkins. I need one. Napkins. I need napkins. Oh, we're out.
Napkins coming up.
Yeah, well, napkins coming up. This is messy.
Very good.
How's that good for you? Oh my god, you can see no whipped cream on it. Look.
Did you ever try ice cream inside waffles?
Ew.
I should do a video like that.
Mommy,
Hmm?
I tell you a secret.
What's the secret?
Let me just tell you so nobody knows.
Hmm?
Let me just tell you so nobody knows. Don't tell nobody because
What is it?
something really, I don't want to talk about it.
On top of what? What is it?
Can I tell you a secret? Please? I just had to Please, real quick. Real quick, Mommy.
What?
Because.
This is good. That's from the strawberries.
It looks like it.
No, it's not. It's strawberry.
I know. The strawberries looks like weird. What? It looks disgusting.
It's strawberry.
Look, guys, look at this. Does it look like blood?
It's strawberry, silly.
It looks like blood, guys. I know it's strawberry, but it looks like blood. A little
It's
bit.
red, same color.
Red. It looks like dark
And
red.
ruining my Sunday by talking like that. Come on. I'm trying to enjoy it.
Oopsie. Sorry, guys. Wow, something might be good. And maybe add some more walnuts. Ready, guys? You want me to add some more walnuts?
It's good. I got enough.
There's a lot in there. Guys, there's a lot. Raven. Ice creams. This kid kind of didn't even actually put it in there. Whatever. I'll open the cap up. I did it for real. This kid is still on there. I always... Wait.
I have enough. There's enough walnuts in there.
Aw.
I have to add more.
Take to the side.
So, I am going to finish this. You want a whipped cream? Stop.
If they have an evil cream, I laugh. No.
Oh, don't do that. It only goes on top of Sundays.
No, it
Who taught you that? Where did that come from?
You just bought it.
So yummy. Oh, yo. You want to say peace out to everybody?
Mommy, did we say thank you for this beautiful food? Did we say that?
No, we didn't say that, but I forgot to say it. But we're going to say thank you, God, for this yummy ice cream, right?
Yeah, thank you guys for this yummy ice cream. Thank you guys for this yummy ice cream.
And it hit the right spot.
I'm tired.
Put you to sleep. You didn't even eat that much.
What? Can you just say? Little. Okay. After this, I'm going to play some Fortnite. Well, I hope. Well, we want to wrap this up.
You want to wrap it up?
You should.
I want to wrap it up.
I will. So.
Very delicious ice cream. Hit the right spot. Make yourself a nice ice cream sundae and enjoy it. So everybody, we will see you in the next video.
Peace
out.
Peace to the out.